Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of verbal communication skills. Whether you are engaging in conversations, presenting ideas, or simply expressing yourself, mastering verbal communication is essential. So, let's get started. Verbal communication is the art of conveying messages using spoken words. It's a fundamental aspect of our daily interactions and plays a crucial role in building relationships, expressing thoughts, and achieving successful outcomes. To understand the power of verbal communication, let's compare positive and negative examples. Positive communication is clear, concise, and respectful. It involves using an appropriate tone, choosing words carefully, and actively listening to others. On the other hand, negative communication can be vague, offensive, or misleading, leading to misunderstandings and conflicts. So, how can we improve our verbal communication skills? Here are some strategies to consider. Firstly, focus on clarity. Use simple and precise language to convey your message effectively. Avoid jargon or complex terms that may confuse your listener. Secondly, pay attention to your tone. Your tone can convey emotions, attitudes, and intentions. Speak in a confident, friendly, and respectful manner, adjusting your tone to match the context. Thirdly, practice active listening. Give your full attention to the speaker, maintain eye contact, and respond appropriately. This not only enhances understanding but also shows respect and engagement. Fourthly, be mindful of non-verbal cues. Your body language, facial expressions, and gestures should align with your spoken words. A mismatch between verbal and non-verbal communication can lead to confusion or mistrust. Lastly, seek feedback and practice. Ask for constructive criticism from trusted individuals and actively work on improving your communication skills. Practice in different settings to gain confidence and fluency. The impact of honing your verbal communication skills can be remarkable. Conversations become more engaging, ideas are conveyed more effectively, and relationships are strengthened. So, whether you're having a casual chat, presenting in front of a large audience, or negotiating a business deal, remember the power of verbal communication. It's a skill that can be developed and refined with practice. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips useful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, keep improving your verbal communication skills. Take care.